for programming, I did a paint application. So these are all my tools on the left side, and this is all my colors for my palette. So if I click on my brush tool, it allows me to draw, but if I didn't click on any color, it would just be black as a default. But if I clicked on a color, for example red, it would be red, green, so on, any color I want. And then if I want to erase all of that, I just click on the erasing tool and then just go ahead and erase everything. I didn't have time to put in a erase width, like thickness, if I wanted to make a bigger one of it. But yeah, this is my text tool. I can click on here and then click on here. I had purple before as my last color, so it would just be in purple. I can type whatever I want, but I can also backspace. Unfortunately, I can't move it anywhere. Like, it would just stay here. Like, I can't drag and drop. I wish I could do that, but I can't. But what I can do is I can click out of it, basically by clicking anywhere else on the screen. Yeah. And then if I click on, for example, fill tool, it would just make the whole thing purple. For example, this one, this color, a bunch of different colors. And then I can erase that if I want. And then I have some shapes here I can use. So like if I wanted to do maybe a red circle. Oops. Okay, click on that. There. Rectangle, triangle. I can draw. But here's the problem with text. If the background isn't orange, isn't white, then it would just overwrite it like this. But I can still type. But yeah, because if for example, I'll show you why I can't make it. Because if I write out of it, the cursor shows up after each letter. So I need something to like kind of like overlap that. So that's why I made it white as a text box thing. So yeah, and then this is my color picker. I'm having issues with this too. It was working perfectly fine before, but now it's getting delayed. So if I click on it, like 15 seconds, yeah, there you go. Never mind, we're good. So if I click on here, okay, I can just draw in that color. It didn't do that for some reason. Oops. Okay, yeah, that's not working right anyways. Yeah, that's my program. It's a basic paint. I like to call it a WhiteBoard because it doesn't really do exactly what a paint app does. But then again, this is my own thing. So yeah, that's my final project. I hope you guys liked it. Thank you.